Elevated fire weather conditions are possible in the Hill Country, Edwards Plateau, and Rio Grande Plains. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Medina County, eastern Bandera County, southeastern Kirk County, southwestern Blanco County, Kendall County, northwestern Bexar County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:07 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Alberta near Pipe Creek to near Hill Country State Natural Area, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bernie, Comfort, Bandera, Fair Oaks Ranch, Cross Mountain, Walnut Grove, Candelia, Camp Verde, Bandera Falls, Mico, Sisterdale, Kreutzburg, Government Canyon State Natural Area, Pipe Creek, Welfare, Nelson City, Center Point, Waring, Lake Hills, and Cliff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your local forecast. Wind advisory in effect until midnight Central Standard Time tonight. Severe